go. Daddy, it's time for get up. I'm trying to sleep. Go. No, nigga, get up. Time for wake up, baby. Come on. We will woke up. Come on. Daddy, you gotta get out of bed. No. Daddy, get up and out. Get out of bed. Get out. Let's get away to school. Remember, no phone. Hear me? No, I'm not kidding. I'm going to take your phone away after school.
And Raffin, you have to go to school.
Hey, Daddy. Good morning, Des and Brogan. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Roxy. Hey, Gusher. Hi, Kai. Everyone, let's get ready to school. Hey. Hey, come on. We'll be fine. Hey, segment. Hey, brother. Hey, Robert Daddy.
Cool service.
Oh! Good morning, Robert Daddy. Hello, Santa Claus. Let's get ready for morning work. And now, it's time for morning work time. It's work time. Oh, I'm going to the bathroom. Okay, remember, no phone.
Hemi?
It's time. Oh, fire on. It's time for pull phone. Not the just. No. It's about structures. Look! She put fire on! She's put fire on! Oh! She put fire on!
She's too loud.
She's put fire on! She's put fire on! Put fire on! Fire on! Fire on! Fire on! She put fire on! She put fire on! She put fire on! She put fire on! That is big trouble for 100 weeks. She's grounded. She put fire on!
She put fire on!
Let's get everybody! That is big trouble! That is big trouble. She put fire on. Wow. She put fire on. She put fire on. She put fire on. She put fire on. I know she put fire on. That is big trouble for 100 weeks.
Bob!
Me, I pull fire. No, you not pull fire. Call police.
Yeah, call police from right here, okay?
Hey, it's to see your daddy's uncle, mama. We're supposed to be going outside. Go inside. No, shh. Daddy's pour fire on because she's big trouble for 100 weeks. She's grounded. May I take everything, take Daddy's things away, go to in the trash? Sure can. Sure can. Okay?
My friend says
Call
classic
police.
stack like a sauce. Need
Hello.
a high voice.
911. This is Daddy's big trouble for pouring down firearm.
Nothing's done.
Because Karen arrested Daddy for 6 days jail. Police officers are away now. Okay, officers. Daddy, did you pour fire down our line? It's a safe. I'm safe for pour down our line. I'm safe. That's right. Hi, Princessa. Daddy's poor fire because she's big trouble for grinded. She got spanned. Yes, of course, prisoners. But turrets were falling. What? Point the firearm. It says quiet. You under arrested for 100 weeks. Oh my God! What's going on? What are you doing with Daddy? Brother, under arrest for pouring firearm. You're out. You grounded. Pour firearm. I'm going to talk, Mom. Oh, why that can you tell you supposed to be school? But no, I need to stay home. No, Daddy's poor fat on. She's big trouble. 100 weeks. No, give me your phone. No, give me your phone. No, you're grinded. No phone. You grinded. You're going to China jail for 100 weeks. Quit mad, brother.